Hey everybody, welcome back to Thirsty on Thursday. I recently went to the dentist, which I of course despise, for a quick consultation for a loose tooth, right back here. As I was signing in at the front window, the receptionist responded to me and said, that'll be around $95 for your visit today. I asked her, I said, well, does my insurance not cover this? She said, no, it was just a consultation, insurance won't cover it. So I went ahead and paid it. I sat there infuriated that I spent $95 to a guy that I didn't even want to see in the first place. Then I began to question, why are kitchen designers not charging people who want to meet with them for a consultation? I'm meeting with my dentist for 45 minutes when I usually meet my clients for a couple of hours, then work on their estimate for another 10 hours or more on top of that. My time is just as valuable as a dentist, in my mind. So let me ask, do you charge for estimates? If not, let's look at how you can in the future. Interior designers get paid for visits as well as architects. Why shouldn't you? Here are the things that you'll be getting paid for: meeting with the clients, measuring the job site area, preparing design drawings, meeting with the client again, making revisions, making copies, gas money, telephone, email points of contact. But if they do not buy from you, then all these things are done for free. I don't think so. Now, you never have charged a fee before, so how do you tell the existing clients that you have that you're going to be charging now? Start in believing in yourself and your self-worth. Quit worrying about losing the job over a design fee. If they don't want to pay it, they don't respect your time anyway. Just like comparing yourself to the dentist or doctor, your time is valuable, and the homeowner or contractor should understand that. Another option you could use is to charge a client, but tell them if they do sign the contract and use you, you'll credit their account the same amount they're paying today. Your main goal is to get the homeowner to give you some kind of money. Once they spend money with you, they are off the market and will be your client only. They won't be looking anywhere else. When someone makes an investment, no matter how much the amount, they're inclined to stop looking elsewhere. So in closing, people who demand free estimates usually choose the cheapest or one of the cheapest contractors. If you have a premium product or service, giving people a free estimate is simply a signal to the marketplace that you don't really believe that you're any good at what you do. After all, if you don't value your time, why should they? We'll see you next week.